All right, let's talk about how you can avoid using formulas. Now, typically in my Excel videos, I'm talking about how you can use formulas and how formulas work, but we're going to be talking about how you can avoid them altogether in different circumstances. So let's say that we want to provide the full name, right? So in each column right now, we have the first name and the last name. Say we want to combine those. So in one cell, we want it to read Kevin Johnson. So normally what we would do is we use a concat formula. We'd choose that and then do a quote with a space, and then we would select Johnson, and then we would get the full name. But there is a little bit of an easier way to do this, and all you have to do is you have to type it out one time. So Kevin Johnson. And then you simply hit Control E, and that's going to follow that pattern throughout the rest of the cells or column. Honestly, pretty cool, pretty nice to use shortcut. Now let's say that the opposite is true. Let's say that we didn't actually have this, and we just had the full name, and we want to provide the first and the last name here. So we'll put first name here, and we want the last name here. Now typically what we would have to do is do text to columns, where we could do delimited or a fixed width, and we could divide them out that way. But an easier way would be, again, to use the Control E. You just type Kevin Johnson here, and then you hit Control E, and boom, you have those names divided into first and last. So Control E is just a great keyboard shortcut to use to avoid having to use formulas. You just need to type what you want in the adjacent columns first, and then you go to the cell below and you hit Control E. And that's going to follow the same pattern all the way down, referencing that same cell. And there you have it. Just a simple shortcut to avoid having to type out long formulas.